Police release composite sketch of men wanted for serious crimes in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the St. James Police Division have released composite sketches of 3 suspects who are wanted for serious crimes including abduction, rape, grievous sexual assault, burglary and unlawful wounding in and around the St. James Police Division. The police said that the first suspect reportedly committed his crime on Saturday, January 26 at the Catherine Hall Stadium in Montego Bay, St. James. In addition, anyone with information on the whereabouts of this man is being asked to contact the Montego Bay CIB at 876-953-6591, Crime Stop at 311, the Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. Another case, the detectives created a sketch of another suspect who is wanted for possession of a prohibited weapon in relation to an incident on Friday, July the 5th at Catherine Hall in the parish. Anyone with information on this man's whereabouts is being asked to contact the Montego Bay CIB at 876-953-6591, Crime Stop at 311, the Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. The detectives also created a composite sketch of another suspect who is wanted for rape and robbery with aggravation in relation to an incident that occurred at Walter Fletcher Beach in Montego Bay in the parish on Wednesday, March the 5th. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.